So it's nearly Christmas, and I thought I'd make a short series of videos about making some duck prosciutto. So I'm just going to show you on this first one all the ingredients. So we've got Gressingham duck breasts from Waitrose. So if you notice, they're 340 grams. Okay, so just two typical pieces of duck. We have a few juniper berries. Didn't really worry about counting them out. We've got peppercorns. I've got some really nice fresh bay leaves from my garden. It's a nice flavour. Now, I've got about 3% of brown sugar and 3% of just normal PDV salt, just standard salt really. That's 3% of the weight of the duck. So the idea is that the salt and the sugar will cure the duck. It will pull out some of the moisture, and then what I'll do is it will be left in the fridge for, well, it might be about 10-12 days. I'm going to feel it for firmness. When it's firm enough, then it's going to come out of the fridge, and I'm just going to hang it up to dry cure for a few weeks. And it might take about 2 more weeks, maybe 3, just ready for Christmas. I could then fridge it, slice it thinly. I've got a bag, and I've got a little pestle and mortar. So of course, the idea will be juniper berries. In they go. Then we've got lovely peppercorns. In they go. And I could crush them up a little bit. Don't need a lot. So we're just bruising them. So they just need a little bit of crushing. There we go. That will do it. And the bay leaves then, I'm going to cut them up. So these I'll have to cut up. And then everything will go into the plastic bag. The duck breast then will be marinated. So join me later on video 2 and see what happens.